Uy, ako. Akuan. Uy. Uy, ako. Akuan. Uy. Bay. Dali magbili ng mga valuables.
Cheers.
What's up, YouTube, mga ka-share? Date muna kami ni Mrs. So we're here at Sela Bay. We're gonna try hiking today, exercise, and freshwater fishing. So we're gonna be I brought some little fishing rods. So little fishing rod and little reels. So we're gonna try hiking and then try and see if we can catch some jungle perch and what do you call this, maybe eel, but we're not keeping those except for like maybe a couple of jungle perch. So we'll see if we can catch something today. But Sela Bay is an overview, and then it's gonna be like a 1.5 mile long hike. It'll take like maybe like 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes going down, going back up maybe like a couple of hours because we're gonna be slow and tired after all those activity. But at the end there's gonna be like a Spanish bridge that it's a good old Spanish bridge that we're gonna be taking a picture later on, so watch out for that. Just keep on watching. All right, let's get it on. Go. Alright, first we're gonna be looking on the overview, the first stage of the Sela Bay. So let's check it out.
Gaya nga kabayan ko. Nice.
Very nice overview. Hello, sneak peek of Guam. Oh, that's the just the warm up.
See, it's nice.
Chamorro version, English version, and I think this Korean version. Oh, that no. What is that?
Where? See that one?
Yeah, waterfall there.
There's waterfall and where?
Oh. Mawala na siya, di ba? Ano? Itong malag ano ba?
I want water.
Malag sampot. Nasa ubos. That's it. Looks like it. Oh, sakto yun. Kanina na ano.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, yung bilog ako. Bilog sa taas. Let's go, people.
Gamay lang. Sa front lang. Sa pormero o ano. Good morning.
Hopefully you guys join us on our little adventure. Also a date with my wife. It's just a little exercise. Oh, date with sacrifice sometimes, you know. No pain, no gain. All right. Oops.
Wow, that's nice. Naa.
Let's go.
Let's go. So go. Look at that. The water.
Clear water, I like it.
Inom yan.
Dive ako diyan niya. I'm gonna go swimming too. You know, might as well. Let's
Ano
see
siya?
how fresh it is.
Slippery.
Be careful over there, huh? No, tambal man it. It's a tambal.
Right? What tambal?
For everything. High blood sugar.
What do you call this?
Noni tree.
Noni tree. It's a noni tree.
Stop.
Ayun na yun, pink.
You remember ang ano ha? Atong gagihan. Pabalik ba?
Yeah, no, there's pink too.
Just follow the pink.
Pink ribbon.
Wala naman. Yeah. I'm on top of the world. Oh, look, there's moon. Exposure. anyhow, there you go. First clearing. Punuan. Friction.
What's that?
Mumu. Manangit ka sa tota muna.
Where's the
Tota muna. The ghost of the forest. Hasta mucho. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po. As the guidance, nag-ingat mas ganda.
Unahan? Wow, hangin. Here, I think.
Small ones.
Yay! Fishing spot. Here we go.
Too small.
Look at that. That's the bridge. Wow.
Small fish. Ano ba? Gonna try to catch those later. See if they bite.
Nice.
Here's the river. Wala kayo isda dito kaysa kung first pickas. There's not a lot of fish. Maybe small one. Small one. So, first time po natin magamit yung freshwater lures natin, mga ka-share. So, that's what we're gonna be using today. And our Sedona. It's been a while since I used this one. Sedona 1000. And I think it's 4-pound monoline. Also ultralight light setup of rod. So it's an Islander 602 LS. It's from Japan, and also we're gonna try this next Save 1000 also, and Silver Fox Bass ultralight rod, and we're gonna be using that one. Looks like a worm. See if that one works. If not, we're gonna be using last resort. We'll be using what you call that, leftover squid. If those doesn't work, or also we can try grubs too. So it's been a while since I used some of those, so let's get it on. All right. man.
What's that?
Mango perch. Using worm lure. Yeah. But we're gonna release this one. Too small. Ouch. Uy, ouch, ouch.
Yo.
So we're gonna break this coconut later.
Okay.
Because we already catch a fish. Taking a break.
Ichada lagyan ng lure. What's this? There.
We already catch a fish with this worm, but it's a orange one. And we have some coconut buko.
Coconut.
Buko and Filipino.
Wow, buko.
So what you do in this one after? You get the shell. You use the shell.
Buko ba? Agad.
Buko lang.
Oh my goodness, really excited.
Mas maayo palagi itong isang iko.
Ano naman?
Malaog.
Ikaw. Dami.
Malaog man.
Okay rada kay dili man nato kinahanglan ano.
Nothing is fresher than that.
Oh, the best.
Grabe, Miguel. Kasi tsada na ano ba? Bago.
Yay. Magano na lang sa video. Cute. Uy! Sayang. Fish on.
Candle perch. Yun lang to me. Release na to kay Gumay. Uy, dako. Dakuan. Uy. Kaya nga to, dako.
Lagi nakita ang pag-inat. Isa pa.
natin na. Basta ka ng first na ako nalagay. Pwede naman dito ano, sa kilid. Wala na. Naka-video. Ano itong mga kasit natin eh? Lagi itong kasit. Ayan, kasit-kasit. Para ganda na sila. Kami. Ayan, pisi-pisi.
Ala.
Hadlock man. Kasi ganun ang pasit. Oh. Ano? Daon na. Man. Umitis. Dito lang. Umitis. Dito lang. Ano? Mulay ko. Na ano na nila. Tama, dito. Dito tayo. For the conclusion, just enjoying the water, mga ka-share, and also feeding this fish. They don't really like the squid, so but they're not hungry enough, I guess. Maybe next time we'll catch one. We catch our small ones, but maybe 2 or 3 hand. Three. And then one big one, but it got off in the hook. Maybe next time we get lucky. Alright, rock and roll. We start heading back after this chilling. Cool. videos, hopefully you click that like button underneath. Alright, peace up.